Hello, I'm Veer Das.
Hello, I'm Milap Milan Zaveri,
Hi, I'm Sunny.
and you are watching Bollywood Hangama with the three
Masti
Masti Zades.
Now, how was your entire, apart from the fact that you had a wonderful Sunny Leone in a double role, you also had your share of what is animals and
Yes.
so it's about animal welfare as well. So in a way,
So, I want to clarify.
Please do.
We built the animal. It was
Right.
not a real animal.
okay,
Because not just for the animal, that would have been very dangerous for me and my animals. So we built a fake animal for my animals to be animalistic with the animals.
right.
So the horse is fine.
The horse is fine.
I'm also fine.
Right.
It was fun. It was like a full, जैसे Dumb and Dumber type के movies होते हैं. It was that kind of a sequence में पूरी family वहाँ पर gathered है. ये हो रहा है, सुरेश है, असरानी है, शाद है, सनी है, मैं हूँ, तुषार है. So all of us are just laughing very, very loudly, and then eventually we met a real horse and we shot his face, basically. But we built a fake
The
horse.
actual scene was something, they were doing something very sweet.
Yeah, I was grooming the horse. I was bathing the horse.
That's the way to groom.
Because my to be father-in-law ये उनका favorite horse है. तो उनको impress करने के लिए मैं horse को groom कर
Groom
रहा
कर रहे थे,
था.
okay.
और
Dirty minds think otherwise.
गलती से क्या है वो पूंछ इनकी अनफॉर्चुनेटली उस दिन जो टेलर था उसने कुछ टाका एक कम डाला था तो इनकी फिल्म में जिप खुल रही थी बार बार. तो जब वो घोड़े को नहलाते
क्या
हैं,
जिप खुल रही थी?
इनके पैंट की जिप खुल रही
पैंट की
थी
zip खुल
तो घोड़े की पूंछ गलती से जिप पे अटक जाती है.
Okay.
तो अब वो जिप जो अटकी हुई है उसको खोल के पूंछ निकालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं घोड़े के पीछे.
And who better than his best friend in the
Tushar,
movie
yeah.
to
to
help
help
him
him
out?
pull out the pooch from the zip.
सर क्या हुआ था ना, the tailor had not had milk or potatoes the day before. तो जब मैग्नीशियम और कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स की कमी होती है
बिल्कुल.
तो दर्जी भी गिर पड़ते हैं.
बिल्कुल 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 absolutely.
तो वो सीन बेसिकली है कि वो बेचारे वो पूंछ जिप से अलग करने की कोशिश जारी है. देखने वाले को लगता है कि कोई कुछ और हो रहा होगा लेकिन एक्चुअली
Very heartwarming, beautiful.
ये भी actually it's saving and it's a very social thing again because what you're doing the pooch is traumatized.
Yeah.
Because it's in the zip.
जी.
And if the zip goes up one more the pooch के बाल कट सकते हैं.
Just stop talking.
पूछ मतलब
सर देखिए
मुझसे कुछ पूछ
डबल हो गया उसके बाद.
सर बॉटम लाइन हमने बड़ी संस्कारी फिल्म बनाएंगे सब बाकी लोगों के दिमाग में.
बाकी सब लोगों के दिमाग में. Okay. And music. We have Roam Roam Romantic hai and you're having Hor Naach and Masti Zade. The title track is getting quite popular as well.
And Dekhe Raja trailer.
Dekhega Raja trailer. So something about the music and how you picturize some of the songs.
Well, music, I like to give all the credit to Bhushan Kumar sir. He met me and he said, I have a bank of great songs from great musicians, Meet Brothers, Amal Malik, Arman, and he said, you choose out of that, and these are songs I have already loved. So if you choose from there, I can assure you that they will be hit songs. So when I met Meet Brothers and Amal and then Anand Raj Anand has given one song. I mean, all the songs are item songs. They are fun songs. They are entertaining songs. They are naughty songs. They're songs you can dance to. जो Roam Roam Romantic है, Mika has sung it, and the song has already crossed 5 million plus views. In hardly any time. Absolutely, people have loved it. Hor Nach has. I've got calls from the world. My guru Sanjay Gupta has called me and said this is a blockbuster song. Which is a big thing for me, for him to call me and tell me that. And all credit goes to the musicians, the lyricists, Manoj Muntasir, who's written Roam Roam Romantic. He also has written Galiyan from
Right.
Equal, which I had written. So I told him कि उसमें आपने गालियाँ लिखी थी, इसमें आपको गालियाँ मिलेंगी, लेकिन गाना आपका सुपर हिट होगा.
बिल्कुल.
So Mudassar Khan has choreographed all the songs.
Yeah, absolutely.
And he's done a fabulous job. I mean, he's made Sunny wash a car. He has, hats off to him and
And he's
her.
so young.
He's so young. He's
Yeah,
like a छोटा
absolutely.
बच्चा जैसा है.
Right.
And,
So what was nice is that we had one choreographer with the whole entire
All the
movie,
all the songs.
Yeah.
so that any parts where we had any music or any type of dance steps, so having that one person throughout the whole movie makes a huge difference because
Absolutely.
he knows the graph of where he can take it and how far he can push us
Absolutely.
dancing and
Absolutely.
everything.
Absolutely.